Okay, so I have been really crazy busy lately, and I didn't film installing this just because there's really nothing special about installing it, and I just wanted to get it done and get it tested. So um, you can see it fit fine on the top. I had to grind a little bit here on the mount because of how close the knuckle is, so I had to clearance the mount. And I have two concern points I need to ask them about. One, this remote adjuster is not going to work for off-roading, obviously. I'm hoping it can just be disconnected up in here somehow. I really hope so. And this is way too close to here, because once we switch to a tubular arm, this is going to hit it. And also, the car is lifted too much. We have a 2-inch lift now on the car. You can see it's way too tall. I only wanted a 1-inch lift, so I'm not sure what went wrong. I'm gonna have to reorder the lower mount. There's 2 sizes they offer, and I'm gonna go to the smaller size to try and drop down to only a 1-inch lift, because that is way too much of a lift, because I know for a fact the rear of the car can't be lifted that high. So we're gonna have to get this figured out. See you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can break me